Hi students, welcome to our channel Study with Posarla. Today I came with another new trick. Find the sum of first 100 natural numbers. 1, 2, 3 up to 100. Okay, no need to go for calculation. Directly here write 50, 50. How much? How do we can write? 100 last number, 100 by 2, 50 and repeat 50. This is the trick. Next, you are going to the traditional method. Here, follow the formula n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. N means 100. 100 by 2. 2a. A is 1. 2 plus n means 100. 100 minus 1 into d. D means difference between two numbers. 2 minus 1, 1. 3 minus 2, 1. 100 by 2, 50. 2 plus 99. 50 into 101. How much? 5050. This is the answer. For more videos, please like, share and subscribe.